Alright, what's up guys, over here today I'm playing another episode of Sneak Thief. I'm playing it again because the last episode actually got a lot of support from it. So yeah, I wanted to play it again. Okay, so we in the yacht. Alright, okay. So I know y'all feel like I know y'all can hear that difference in mic quality, and it's because I got a new mic. So yeah, so hopefully you guys like it. I realized I was like, y'all, like my mic sounds so bad, and then I was like, I just gotta get a new one. So you know, my granddad came through like he does. He comes through almost. My mom and my granddad, they almost come through it every single time. We got this tablet, we got the gold watch, and we got the gold vase. Alright. Ooh, bro, is that a somebody finna get a leg up, yo? Hold up. Alright, 8647. Okay, now if you hear like a really weird buzzing, that's probably my Xbox. Gosh, come on. Come on. Oh, for real? Let me get that weapon. Come on, yo. What? Yo, it's not here no more. Yo, and there's no code. Alright, whatever. I'm not tripping. Wait! How? How did I drop a bottle on an extra soft surface and it still makes the same sound as you would drop it on the floor? That makes no types of sense. Sneak Thief, please fix this. How does the bottle always land upright? Like, what? How is this possible? What? Look at this. You know what? Oh, okay. Never mind. I did it. Alright, let's get out of here, though. Let's get this gold vase in this vase. Alright, now let's wait. We gotta wait. Gotta look for here for them footsteps. Is this like kind of like an invisible area where they can't really see me? I think so. Alright, cool. Come on, Sneak Thief. Why are you freezing? Why are you freezing, Sneak Thief? Ooh, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. No, come on, go. Hey, what was the code? 5, 3, 4, 2, Justin? Go. I know they're coming. 5, 3. Go. Hunt it down. Go. Oh, fight. Alright, come on. I'm gonna let him come out. Ooh, break that. Oh, come on. Come around. Go. What? How? Yeah, let's go. Please. Go around. Go. Go! Please! Go! I thought they could shoot me anytime. Go on! Let's go! Come on! Please! Let's go! If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. Let's try to hit 5 likes if you want another one of these videos. Yeah. If you want another one of these videos, let's try to hit 5 likes. And, yeah, we seemed to do good last time, so hopefully it'll do good again. And yeah, but anyway, I really got to enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If your day's going bad, I hope it gets better. As always, guys, peace out. Bye.